Our summer adventure starts today! I've been waiting all morning.
What should we create together? Something colorful and fun. Look at this old sign. Maybe we can make smoothies. We could make people smile. That would be wonderful. I found strawberries. Great job, Pico. Come see these blueberries. Ha! They look delicious. We make a great team. We always help each other. I hope it still works. Let's clean it first. We're almost ready. Tomorrow will be amazing.
This already feels special.
The best is still coming.
Let's follow every step. We can do this together.
Everything is sparkling clean. Now we're ready. They look delicious already. The colors are beautiful.
Oh no. It's okay. We'll fix it. Blueberries love adventures. Next time I'll be slower.
It already looks amazing. I can't wait.
Why did it stop? Maybe something is wrong.
Did we fail?
We're not finished yet.
I know another way.
I knew you'd think of something. We still have a chance. Let's keep believing.
It deserves another chance, just like us.
Please work. I'm crossing my wings. It works!
We did it! It's delicious! We made something special.
What about peaches? Let's try everything. Welcome, everyone. We're happy you're here.
We're almost out.
We'll think of something.
The garden helped us. Now we help the garden.
The weather is changing. We'll be ready.
The rain is here. Stay close together. Keep the cups dry. I'm moving them now.
The wind is getting stronger. We can handle this. We lost one. We still have many.
Thank you so much. Kindness keeps growing.
We made it! We never gave up.
It's beautiful.
It feels like a new beginning. Let's make even more. I'm ready. everyone is smiling. That's the best reward.
I'm thankful for both of you. So am I. We did something wonderful. We'll always remember today. The garden feels peaceful. So do our hearts. We learned so much. Every challenge helped us. Our last smoothies, the sweetest ones, to friendship,
To many more summers.
they'll grow with time, just like us.
The stars are waking up.
What a beautiful ending. We'll come back, always.
I'll remember today forever.
So will I.
It started with one idea and became a beautiful memory.
See you next summer.
Our story is just beginning.